Make a fist and bend your arm at the elbow and touch your shoulder with the thumb. What do you observe? Do you observe a swollen portion in the upper arm? Well, this is our muscle. There are over 650 muscles in our body. Now, how do our muscles work? Well, muscles pull the bones. It can only pull. When contracted, the muscles become shorter, stiffer, and thicker. They work in pairs. That is, two muscles have to work together to move a bone. When one of them contracts, the bone is pulled in that direction and the other muscle of the pair relaxes. Similarly, to move the bone in the opposite direction, the relaxed muscle contracts to pull the bone towards its original position and the first muscle relaxes. So in this way, our muscles move bone. How do other animals move? Do all animals have bones? If not, then how do they move? In this video, we will study about the manner of movement, that is, gait of some animals. So let's study about the movement of an earthworm. Have you observed an earthworm moving on soil in your garden? How does it move? Well, the body of an earthworm is made up of many rings which are joined end to end. They do not have bones. They have muscles which help in their movement. The earthworm stretches or extends front part of its body while fixed the rear or back portion of its body to the ground. Then it fixes the front part and shortens it while releases or stretch the rear end forward. So, in this way, by stretching and contracting muscles, the earthworm moves. Its body also secretes a slimy substance which help in their smooth movement. Now, how does it fix parts of its body to the ground? Well, under its body, it has a large number of hair-like structures called setae projecting out. These structures or setae are connected with muscles and help the earthworm to get a good grip on the ground. Movement of snail. Snail is a very slow moving animal. They have a shell inside which they can hide to protect themselves from the heat of the sun and enemies. Their shell is actually the outer skeleton, but it is not made up of bones. Now snails move by using a muscular organ called the foot. The foot produces a slimy or sticky substance called mucus, which helps to reduce grip between the snail and the ground so that they can move easily. The muscular foot produces wave-like movement that push the snail's body forward. So in this way, snails move. Movement of cockroach. Hope you all observed a cockroach very closely. They walk and climb as well as sometimes fly in the air and might be scary also for some people. They have 3 pairs of legs that help in walking. Their body is covered with a hard outer skeleton. This outer skeleton is made up of number of plates which are joined together and helps in movement. So they move on the ground by using their legs. There are 2 pairs of wings also, which are attached to their body behind head. The cockroaches show 2 types of movement. They can walk as well as fly. The muscles near the legs help to move the legs for walking, while the muscles of body help in the movement of wings when they fly.